And so then I said, I'm just a surfer. I can't do nothing about it. You're a funny man. Yeah. Oh no. So anyways, next story. One time this girl I met. Whoa, dude! Dude, what's happening? What? I can't see anything. Oh, what happened? Yeah, I think something happened, but I could be wrong. Yeah, Blueberry? Yo, Blueberry, you alright? You seem to be acting a little weird. Don't move. Yo, dude, what's happening? Is this dude okay? You fools. Your friend is now possessed by me. You three have messed with me for long enough. We've never even met you before. Don't you recognize the face? All of our faces look like that, man. Anyways, it is I, the yellow guy in a blue shirt. Oh, you're that dude that whines about everything. Yes, and I've wait, what? Yeah, you're that dude that whines over everything that happens. Okay, anyways. I have turned myself into the evil dark slime, and I am here to take... Yeah, get it over with already. I wanna beat you up. But aren't you scared of me? Not really, man. I mean, you already complain about everything. I mean... I guess that's understandable. That doesn't matter. I'm going to beat you up. Actually, no. I said no. Ah! And now he's gone. You okay, bro? You're not looking too fine. I think he's broken. I think we might need a new Blueberry.
You didn't have to cut me off.